Hello everyone, myself Sangeeta and welcome back to my channel PT Success Ladder. In my previous video, we discussed about the person introduction, so today we are going to start with the speaking module. In this video, I will only explain about the read aloud.
So here is the first section, that is speaking module, and let's start with it. Speaking module is divided into 5 items. So first speaking item is read aloud, second is repeat sentence, third is describe image, fourth is read a lecture, and fifth and last one is the answer short question. I will elaborate each one of item in detail, but for today I will explain only about the read aloud. Before start with the read aloud, I will tell you the probability of number of questions from each speaking items which appear in your exam. As I have already told you that PT modules are interconnected and affect each other. Therefore, speaking items has not only effect upon speaking module but also on other modules. For example, your read aloud marks not only reflect upon your speaking module but also on the reading section. So it is imperative to focus on each module. And lastly, time to record your answer varies from each section. So you can pause the video and can memorize the whole chart. So begin with the first item, that is read aloud. This is the example that how read aloud appear on your screen in your exams. Once your current status bar starts, you have to start preparing to read the whole passage. You will get 35 to 40 seconds according to the length of the passage. After a sound of beep, you have to start record your answer. I will show you how to speak. Now I am going to start. Nutrients are substances that provide energy for activity, growth and all functions of the body such as breathing, digesting food, materials for the growth and repair of the body and for keeping the immune system healthy. Once you have completed, you have to immediately click on to the next button. There is no need to wait for the completion of the bar, so that it will save your time for the next questions. So here are the tips for the read aloud. Always keep in mind that read aloud is important as it will increase or decrease your scorecard. Therefore, you have to remember all these tips to achieve your target score. So starting with the first point, read the text exactly as appeared on your screen. Avoid unnecessary adding, omitting and replacing words as it will affect on your scorecard. Second, try to speak in normal voice, which means neither too loud nor too slow, and it should be in constant speed. Once the current status bar starts, you have to read the text in preparation time and try to pronounce difficult words so that it will be easy for you when the recording bar starts. Next point, always try to pronounce clearly those words ending with S, ES and ED. For example, moods, published and countries. Next point, always take a slight pause if you get comma, semicolon and full stop, as I have already gave you an example that how to speak the text when you get all of these punctuation marks. The next and the most important point is that do not repeat any word once you read it and try to avoid hesitation while speaking. Lastly, do not start speaking when current status bar is going, as that time period is only for preparing the text. If you do so, then your voice will not be recorded. The two most important things to remember in all speaking items, first one is oral fluency and second one is pronunciation. This oral fluency is not based upon how fast we read the text. It is based upon three things. So first one is smooth, which means that you should speak in normal and average rhythm. Do not hesitate while speaking and do not repeat any words. And the second one is the effortless, which means that you should speak in a flow and effortlessly. It does not sound that you are struggling with words while speaking. And third one is natural paced delivery of speech, which means that you have to maintain normal voice and speed. For example, if you have started in a particular speed, then try to maintain till the end. And do not speak so fast in some questions and slow in another. And next is the pronunciation, which means is the production of the speech sounds which is easily understandable. So try to speak clearly so that computer can record your voice correctly. Additionally, we have to pronounce the words to our native or regional language. It is considered to be as correct. Lastly, do not copy the accent of any other language. Here are the read aloud practice materials. You can practice it at your home, and I will start with repeat sentence in my next video.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate that you are liking my content. Keep supporting me like this. I ensure you that I will keep uploading such useful contents in my upcoming videos.
Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.